Now that we have the router component wrapping the entire app's contents, in this exercise, you can start adding routes to our application. To do so, you'll need to first import the route component. Then, you'll render routes inside this main section of the application. Pause the video and try this for yourself before continuing on. First, we can add the route component to this list of imports, alongside our browser router. Next, we'll start rendering the main routes of the application. As you can see, at the top of this file, there are a number of components which are being imported but not used. For now, we'll render the About, Sign Up, Articles, Categories, and Profile components. To do this, I'll start by rendering a route component. This route will be responsible for rendering the About page. Remember, every route component will need a path prop that's associated with the component that needs to be rendered. In this case, the path will be /about. At this point, I can save my code and return to my application and try clicking on the About link. I can also directly navigate to About, and as you can see, we're seeing the About component being rendered. The other links still don't work yet, and so we'll need to add in those routes as well. I'll start by copying this route a number of times, and then for each of these routes, I'll change the path and the component being rendered. Next, I'll do the Sign Up page, which needs to be routed at the Sign Up path. Then I'll do the Articles page, which is routed at the /articles path. The Categories page, which is rendered at the Categories path. And lastly, the Profile page, which is rendered at the /profile path. Again, I'll save my code, and at this point I can try navigating directly to each of these in the URL. Sign Up takes me to the Sign Up page. Articles takes me to the Articles page. Categories to the Categories page. And lastly, Profile to the Profile page.